Welcome back, guys. Today, we've got 20 genius Amazon gadgets that will completely transform the way you handle household chores. From smart cleaning tools to time-saving solutions, these gadgets will make your daily tasks so much easier. Let's check them out. As always, links to all products are in the description below so you can grab your favorite. This ceiling fan cleaner is designed to make cleaning ceiling fans effortless and mess-free. Featuring an extendable pole, it allows you to reach high fan blades without the need for a ladder. The microfiber duster head effectively traps dust, dirt, and cobwebs, preventing debris from falling onto your furniture or floors. Its flexible and washable design ensures long-lasting use, making it a must-have tool for maintaining a clean and dust-free home. Perfect for ceiling fans, light fixtures, and other hard-to-reach areas, this duster simplifies your cleaning routine with ease and efficiency. This electric salad shooter makes food prep effortless. Designed for quick and easy slicing or shredding, it's perfect for vegetables, fruits, cheese, nuts, and more. With its powerful electric motor, simply point, shoot, and watch as ingredients are neatly sliced directly into your bowl, pan, or dish. No extra mess. The interchangeable cones allow you to switch between slicing and shredding in seconds. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to store and clean, making it an essential kitchen gadget for hassle-free meal prep. Ideal for salads, tacos, pizzas, and beyond. This shower phone holder is designed to keep your phone safe and accessible while you enjoy a relaxing shower. With a 100% waterproof seal, it protects your device from water, steam, and splashes, allowing you to watch videos, listen to music, or take calls without worry. The anti-fog high-sensitivity screen ensures clear visibility and smooth touch control, even with wet hands. Featuring a 360-degree rotation, you can adjust the viewing angle to your preference. Easy to install with a strong adhesive backing, this holder securely sticks to tiles, glass, or mirrors without damaging surfaces. This aluminum snow rake is the ultimate tool for clearing snow from your roof safely and efficiently. Designed with a 5 feet 21 feet telescoping pole, it allows you to reach high areas without the need for a ladder, reducing the risk of accidents. The lightweight yet durable aluminum construction ensures long-lasting performance while making it easy to maneuver. The wide rake head with non-damaging rollers glides smoothly over your roof, preventing damage to shingles. Whether you're dealing with heavy snowfall or light accumulation, this snow rake is a must-have for protecting your roof from excessive weight and ice buildup. This electric spin scrubber is your ultimate cleaning companion, designed to tackle tough stains and grime with ease. Featuring a powerful spinning motor and multiple brush heads, it effortlessly scrubs surfaces like tiles, bathtubs, sinks, and floors without straining your hands. The cordless design and long-lasting rechargeable battery provide hassle-free mobility, allowing you to reach every corner. With adjustable extension handles, it ensures comfortable cleaning without bending or kneeling. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing and enjoy a sparkling clean bathroom with minimal effort. This portable clothes dryer is the ultimate solution for quick and efficient drying, no matter where you are. Designed for convenience, this compact and lightweight dryer is perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, and travel. With advanced drying technology, it gently dries clothes while preserving fabric quality, making it ideal for delicate garments. The energy-efficient design ensures fast drying with minimal power consumption. Easy to set up and store, the Mojoko portable clothes dryer is your go-to for fresh, dry clothes anytime, anywhere. This wheel rotary edger is the perfect manual lawn tool for achieving crisp, clean edges along driveways, sidewalks, garden beds, and pathways. Designed for precision and ease of use, this rotary edger features a sharp, durable steel blade that effortlessly trims overgrown grass and weeds, giving your lawn a well-manicured look without the need for gas or electricity. The sturdy, ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing strain during use, while the rolling wheel design allows for smooth, controlled edging. Whether you're a homeowner or a gardening enthusiast, this hand-powered edger is perfect solution for keeping your landscape neat and tidy. This bed sheet tucker tool makes bed making effortless and keeps your sheets neatly tucked in place. Designed for convenience, this tool allows you to tuck sheets with ease, reducing strain on your hands and back. Its ergonomic grip ensures a firm hold, while the smooth edges glide seamlessly under the mattress for a secure fit. Say goodbye to loose, wrinkled sheets and enjoy a crisp, hotel-like bed every day. Perfect for all mattress types, this must-have tool simplifies your daily routine and enhances bedroom aesthetics. This stand-up weed puller tool makes removing weeds effortless without bending or kneeling. Designed with a long, ergonomic handle, it allows you to pull out weeds while standing, reducing strain on your back and knees. The 4 stainless steel claws grip weeds firmly at the root, ensuring effective removal without harmful chemicals. A simple step and pull mechanism make the process quick and efficient, while the easy eject feature releases weeds without getting your hands dirty. Perfect for dandelions, thistles, and other invasive plants, this tool keeps your lawn and garden weed free with minimal effort. This timer sprinkler is the perfect solution for precise and efficient lawn and garden watering. Designed for small to medium-sized areas, this sprinkler offers fully adjustable width, length, and water flow to customize coverage according to your needs. The built-in timer allows for convenient, hands-free operation, ensuring optimal hydration without overwatering. With a sturdy base for stability and high-quality materials for durability, this sprinkler delivers reliable performance season after season. Whether you're nurturing a lush lawn or tending to delicate flower beds, this water sprinkler makes watering effortless and efficient. This steam sanitizer for kitchen utensils is designed to keep your kitchen essentials hygienic and germ-free. Using high-temperature steam, it effectively eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, ensuring a deep and chemical-free sanitization process. The 2-tier design allows for sanitizing multiple utensils, bottles, and kitchen tools at once, maximizing efficiency. Its easy-to-use controls and automatic shut-off feature provide convenience and safety. With a compact and sleek design, it fits perfectly in any kitchen while offering a powerful sanitization solution. This portable range hood is the ultimate solution for maintaining fresh air in your kitchen. Designed as a desktop kitchen exhaust fan, it effectively removes smoke, grease, and odors while cooking. Its compact and portable design makes it perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or even outdoor cooking setups. Featuring a high-efficiency filtration system, it ensures cleaner air without requiring complex installation. With adjustable fan speeds and a quiet motor, this range hood provides powerful ventilation without disturbing your cooking experience. This portable air fryer is the ultimate kitchen companion for healthier, crispy meals with less oil. Designed with a sleek, transparent glass basket, it lets you watch your food cook to perfection. Featuring 4 versatile cooking functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, it offers endless meal possibilities. The portable, compact design makes it perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or on-the-go cooking. With rapid hot air circulation, enjoy perfectly crisp textures without the excess grease. Easy to clean and simple to use, this air fryer is a game changer for effortless, delicious meals every time. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.